Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Thanks for tuning in. If it's your first time, my name is Susan Kawa. Feel free to join the family by hitting the subscribe button. In today's video, we are going to be making simple and easy Nigeria jollof rice. Yes, that's what we are going to be doing. Without wasting much of your time, guys, let's get started. So guys, what I have here, I have my meat, already washed meat. I've already washed this meat, guys. So secondly, I have my seasoning cube. I use jumbo, guys. You can use any seasoning cube of your choice. Yes, and the ingredient I'm going to be using, I have my garlic powder, and I have my white pepper powder, and I have my black pepper powder. Yes guys, that is it. And I have also here my onions. I've already cut these onions. I prefer these red onions, or you can use any onions of your choice, guys. And I have my tomato stew, guys. This is tomato stew. If you have not watched how to make tomato stew, I have it on my channel. Just go ahead and check it out, guys. Yes, and I have the rice. Yes, this is the long rice. So firstly, I'm going to be putting the water on the gas, just to parboil the rice. I'm going to be boiling the rice a little bit. So I'll be leaving the water to hot a bit, and after the water have hot, and I'll just go ahead and turn the rice inside the hot water, like so, guys. Yes, so I'm going to be leaving that to boil for like 3 minutes, guys. Not too much, because after the rice will be too soft. We don't want that. So we are going to be leaving it for 3 minutes, guys. So I just come and check on it, and I'm still going to leave it for just 30 seconds. Yes guys, so that is it. I'm going to be removing this one and just go and wash it. So why I put my meat on the fire, so I just go ahead and place my meat on the fire, guys. I put this meat on the fire. I don't add any water. Those small water you are seeing is the water that, when you wash meat, the small water that goes with it, that is the water you are seeing. So I'll just go ahead and put my seasoning cube inside. Yes, so I'm just going to dissolve the seasoning cube and just place it inside the meat. So after putting the seasoning cube, guys, I will still go ahead and put the seasoning, the garlic, the white pepper, and the black pepper. Yes guys, so that is what I will be adding, because why I want to season it before adding water. I want the ingredient to go inside the meat. I want the meat to have that taste I want. Yes guys, so that is why I did not add any water. I just go ahead and add all the seasonings, and just I will mix it until when I'm satisfied that the meat have absorbed the sweetness, the way I like it, guys. Yes, so what I'm adding now, I'm adding the black pepper, guys. I've already added white pepper and all that, so I will be adding the onions as well. I'll be adding the salt also. Yes guys, me, I like a lot of onions, guys. That is why you see I use a lot of onions. So if you don't like onion, if you are the type of person that don't like too much onions, you can also reduce the onions, no problem for that. So just go ahead and add my salt. In case you people are wondering how quantity I add of the white pepper and the black pepper, I use a teaspoon of each on it. Yes guys, so I'll just be mixing it together for the seasoning to go inside the meat, guys. You see, as you can see, I have not add water yet, so I'm just doing it like that for the meat to absorb the sweetness. So after that, I do that for like 5 minutes. Then after, I add water just for the meat to cook. So I'm going to be leaving the meat to cook, guys, for like 10 minutes. Depend how you want your meat to be soft. Me, I don't too much like soft, I don't too much like strong, so average. So I'll just go ahead and cook it for 10 minutes. Yes guys, so this is after 10 minutes guys. I will just go ahead and remove the meat from the water guys. I will not remove the pot, mind you, I will not remove the pot. I'm just going to remove the meat from the water. Yes, why am I removing the meat? I'm going to be frying the meat later. I'm going to be frying it with groundnut oil, so that is why I'm removing the meat, and I'm going to make use of the stock of the meat. So after removing all the meat from the stock, this is the remaining stock of the water. So I'll just go ahead and pour my tomato stew inside the water, inside the meat stock. Voila. So yeah, that is it. And after, I'll be mixing it together. Yes, I'll be mixing it together. After mixing it together guys, remember the rice we parboil before, the one we just boil for 3 minutes. I've washed it, so what I will just do, I will just pour it inside this water direct, like so guys. Yes, this is what I'll be doing. I'll pour the rice inside this water of the meat. So I'll be mixing it together. Yeah, I'll be mixing it together like so. So I'm still pouring the water, as you can see. I'm still pouring the rice, I'm still pouring the rice, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just going to leave it for, I'm just going to turn it to mix everything together, to make sure all the rice touches all the water and all that. Yes, that is it. So after doing that, I'll just go ahead and cover it with my foil paper, with aluminum paper guys. So you just cover it like so. You cover it and you leave the rice. Yes, you leave the rice to cook for like 10 minutes guys. After we are done, but me leaving the rice to cook, and in the other side I'm just going to fry the meat. And I'm still going to show you guys. I place my fry pan on the fire. After the fry pan have hot, I place my groundnut oil on it. I just pour some groundnut oil on it, and after pouring some groundnut oil on it, I leave it a bit for like 3 minutes or 2 minutes guys. Depends how you want it to be very hot. I leave it for 2 minutes guys, for the groundnut oil to get hot before starting putting the meat inside. So yeah, my groundnut oil have hot, so I just go ahead and place some meat, and I'm going to put all the meat for it to get fried together. Yeah, that is what I'm doing guys. So guys, after finishing frying the meat, I'll just remove it. You see, when your meat is fried, it will turn out brown like this, beautiful. You see the way that meat is beautiful guys. Yeah, so your meat will turn out like this. So I'll just remove it from the oil, and after I'll go ahead and check on my rice guys. This is the rice after 5 minutes. So yeah, this is it. So I'll just go ahead and mix it together to see if the water is all dry out. Yes, so as you can see, all the water is gone. All the water is gone. Yeah, so I'll just mix it together and mix it, and after, yeah, the food is ready. You see, it's very easy and very simple. You don't need too much of ingredient to cook this rice. Yes guys, so that is why I say let me share this idea with you guys, because some people do say Nigeria jollof rice is too difficult, there are too a lot of ingredient to cook with it, but this one is very easy. You don't need too much ingredient guys, you don't need too much at all. So that is it. And when I test this rice guys, wow, it was so yummy, it was so delicious. Yes, so that is it. I hope you learned something. This is the end of this video guys. I hope you learned something from this video. Please, if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, press the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video, and share my video guys, you know, share. Until I come your way next time, my beautiful people, stay blessed and bye bye.